Chambly. Might take to the Chambly station. Oh, to get on my 19 bus.
We are approaching the Woodruff Park stop.
No, I'm gonna
Please
go
hold on
to,
as we stop.
what's the name? It's close.
Please watch your step as you exit.
Or should I go to 5 points? Yeah, I'm gonna go to 5 points.
Sit down.
This is the Woodruff Park stop.
Pardon self, God. Now I'm on the pigeon run. Look at the pigeons. It's Pigeon Park. They be having free food. Everybody eats. Everybody eats. Alright, I'm going to 5 points. I believe I can go across. Look, that's the train. That's me. That's the train. That's the car. That's me. That's the train. I'm about to get in. I'm about to get some motherfucking where real quick. This is how you gotta do it. You gotta get somewhere real quick. Up in this up in this whore. This is how you gotta take over downtown traffic. This is what you gotta do. You gotta bend rules sometimes. You gotta make your own parameters. I'm jogging with this guy right here. Me and this guy are jogging. Officer, that's what we doing with jogging. Another one of these little miniature retard bombs. Fucking up my sidewalk area. Look at this nigga. He don't want no money. He don't want no money. He don't want no money. He is the opposite of Umar. Okay. It's getting hard out here for PM now. Because the real cars are trying to get in traffic with the gun. Fuck out your mother. Suck out your mother. Look at this. She got a belly like mine. I feel you. Home skillet girl. Look at this nigga. Fucking around. Getting in my way. That's all you do. Your whole life is just getting in my goddamn way. Like I was in his way. Look at this guy right here. Yeah, look at him. He's a rapist, pedophile. He's scared to be seen. There we go. Look at that guy. He's fast as fuck. 420, baby. 420. 4 minutes and Twinkie. Look at this. Look at this. We got the street people. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We got the street people.
I don't like to drink. Because once I get to drinking,
you gotta be able to navigate up in this piece. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Yeah. Peace. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah. Catholic crack. Catholic crack. Catholic crack. Catholic crack. What you got to say? Come here, my man.
Excuse me?
What you got to say about that new Catholic crack?
Now who?
Catholic crack.
I don't know what you mean by that.
What kind of crack you smoke?
I try not to.
Okay. I can't see. Let's go this way.
Come on in.
Okay, look this way. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people? I'm just
Yeah,
otherwise
Jay.
known as y'all.
Jay. Yeah. We go wild tonight. You staying outside in the streets tonight?
Yes, I stay outside every night.
All right, me too. We about
What's
to
your name, man?
the Stony Pebbles, the rap rebel broadcast on Lower Than the Devil
It's nice
with
to meet
no
you.
treble.
On the streets, they call me Rooster.
Rooster, that's what's happening, my man. Give me a pound.
All right, dog.
All right, I'm gonna see you late night.
All right.
I'm gonna howl at the moon with me.
Ow!
That's what's happening.
That's what's up.
100,000.
All right, man.
All right. We have Marta right here. I'm about to navigate through this monkey funky. You smell me. Uncivilized mutts. Yeah, uncivilized mutt. Uh-oh. Let me be quiet. We're going by the ladies. God damn it. Let me stop. They told me to film my get down now. This is my get down. So I'm in 5 points right now. I'm about to look at them chicks. They're religious chicks at home. Hey ladies. Ladies. How you ladies doing? You're looking beautiful. Can you say something to the people? Say hello on this Friday. Booties on plump. Religious ladies, booties on plump. I'll look at some more right here. Oh, this is the church ladies. Look at them. Badonkadonk. Badonkadonk. Yeah, you see me flying through this monkey funky. This is 5 points. This is where I stop and see my friends. We'll be staying outside all night. I'm staying outside all night tonight. I'm just about to go get a charger. And then we are going. I got a brand new fucking knife. I got a brand new fucking knife for late night fillets. Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at this fucking guy. Hey yo, say what's up to the people. Holmes, say what's happening to the people. You can't make the elevator come. Stop molesting the elevator.
This way, okay. That's way right there. See, all down, baby.
Have a good evening,
All
man.
right, big dog.
Hey, can you hold it for me? Hold on. Damn.
So, talking about they telling Laura.
What you done did for me for?
No.
You know. Where's that camera thing? That's foggy. Let me stop this.